Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking onto my channel. I don't know what else to say. I've been trying to get this one shot for like 5 times. There's always been something happening, but anyway, hopefully this will be it. So this video is going to be all about my closet, which is behind me, and I did an entire video about this closet. I will link it in the description or somewhere in the, somewhere around here, so you could go check that out. I'm not going to go too much into it, but this is from IKEA and I had it for 3 years. And when I first got it, I wanted like a open type of closet system, but now I think I needed some doors because where my closet is right across from my kitchen, and then you have my living room on this side, and basically if anyone comes into my place, they can see straight into my closet, which I don't think is like, I don't want people to see all my stuff. So I decided to get some doors and some other stuff that I'm gonna add to it, and I'm just gonna show you how I do that. And also, if you haven't, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys. So this is my entire closet. It's pretty large and I got the largest height. I have very high ceilings, as you can see, so it's very large, and I have 3 of these, I'm not sure what to call it, it's like slipping through my mind, but I will say cubbies. They're not cubbies, but these 3 long rectangular cubbies, and on the bottom I have some drawers. This is one of the doors, and I should have gotten the door with the hinges, but I got the door without the hinges because it was cheaper, but then the hinges cost $20, and with the door it doesn't make a difference. It's not like you're saving money. So if you want to get this, I suggest you get the door with the hinges. So this is the door I chose, and they have all different types of designs. I like this one because of the panel design. I think it will look very nice when it's all up. It's gonna look like a wall panel. So yeah, so what I'm thinking about is I have some clothing rack. I got 2 clothing rack, so I'm gonna put one over here and maybe just put my shirts, dressy shirts here, and then over here I have another clothing rack. I'm gonna move these shelves and I'm gonna add those shelves over there, and then I'm gonna put the other clothing rack here and just add all my dresses because it's a little longer than this side. Also, what I'm gonna do is I am going to get a jewelry organizer and put it here and organize my jewelry. And it's gonna close that. So I'm waiting for the hinges. I haven't ordered the hinges yet because of the way IKEA shipping is, and I also have to order the jewelry organizer. this, but I forgot what I said in the last video because it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed that last party. So I'm gonna try and attempt to put these doors on myself because I ideally would like someone here to help me, like my mom or someone else or my dad, and I'm impatient because I've been having these doors on the floor for a while and I want them up now, so I'm gonna do it myself. So I have everything. I went back to IKEA. They're like open now with, you know, social distancing, and I'm gonna try to put that door up, you see behind me. So what I need to do is add on the hinges. I got the hinges, that's what I really needed, the hinges. And also I got some of the part for the closet. I'm going to show you when that part comes to that time. I'm going to start with the last system because I know for the bottom it's good. I have to take out 2 drawers from the bottom so the hinges can fit at the bottom. So I'm going to start with the last system and I'll see how it goes and I'll know what to do from there. So let's keep on going. Okay guys, so I am all done. As you can see, it looks really lovely. I'm so happy how it turned out. It was easier than I expected. I was a little scared with the doors because I know the doors are very tall and I thought it would be very difficult to put on myself, but it was really easy. If you have a technique, it's going to be easy, but I would suggest that you have someone to help you. It's just going to go by faster. So if you have someone to help you, definitely do that. So I'm just going to go closer. So these knobs I got from IKEA. I don't know the name, I'll link it below, but those knobs were a pack of 2 for $6, and it's just a black matte knob, nothing fancy about it. So I drill like 2 holes, make sure to measure because you don't want it crooked. Drill 2 holes. I don't know if I explained in the videos before, but I thought was the door that was really hard to drill. It was just my drill bit was dull. My mom got me a new drill and it went through like butter, so that's nice. So I'm gonna open it up This door is very hard to open without knobs, so I suggest if you're going to get these type of doors, get knobs. If you notice that a light came on, I'm going to show you. It's super bright. It's right there. You can't really see it, but I got that from Amazon. It was a pack of 3 for $20, and I love it. It's motion sensitive. So before, my closet was very open and all the natural light in my place would illuminate the, as you see, it came off, motion sensitive. It will illuminate the closet, but because of the doors, it made the inside way darker, so I needed light. IKEA has the lights, but I wanted something quick, easy, fast. This has, oh, now you can see it. This has like a self adhesive to the back, and it's easy to take off and put back on. You can stick it anywhere in the closet, and it's battery powered, so you could always add new battery. See, easy. So this is the hinges, and I got really easy. Here was kind of tricky, so this shelf was a little higher, so what I needed to do is make it lower, and you can see those two trays. One has sunglasses and the one underneath has my jewelry holder. So I took one of those trays. I had 3 of those here. I took one out and I put it on this system at the bottom. I'll show you that soon. And the thing with IKEA closets is I like it's so easy to like install and to change. It wasn't like anything difficult. It was just taking out the screws and putting it back in. It's so easy. Like they already have pre-made holes at the side, as you can see. It's so easy. Like this is like so easy to do. I said so much because it's so easy. So I lower the shelf so the doors can line up, like the hinges can line up to be the same height. I also got this jewelry tray from IKEA. It comes in 3 different sets, and I paid maybe less than $55 for it. I'm not sure, I didn't look at the receipt, but such a good investment because my jewelry was all over the place. I needed it to look more, you know, neat and tidy, and as you can see, I don't have much, so I need to buy more. If you would like to know, my packs is the deepest and the tallest. At the bottom here, I had to take out a drawer. I had one of those white drawers on top at the bottom, but because of the hinges, they won't be able to fit, so I just took it out and I just placed my jeans at the bottom. It's not a big deal. I think I might get a basket. They have like they have different size basket. I might get a basket for here so I could just pull it out easier to get to my stuff easier. So I might do that in the future. This is my second unit. Nothing changed here, just at the bottom I took out the drawer again, and you can see here I have that tray, and this is what I was telling you about, just to like pull it out. So I have like my towels. I have to organize my closet, so don't mind that. But I just put it under here. I think that way it keeps, like, I still use it, and it like makes the space usable. So that's there. And this is the last one. This one was very easy because I didn't really have to do much. I just needed to add the hinges, and because I have these baskets, these are the baskets I was telling you about that I'm gonna get. They have a longer version. These are the small mini ones, but they have a longer version, and I think I'm gonna add it on that one over there. So this is the finished look. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video if you like it, dislike if you don't, I don't mind. Leave a comment if you have any questions that you would like to ask, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.